Hello, hello! Another day of our challenge. So let's continue with development of our infrastructure. Yesterday we documented our decision. So today I think it's the good idea to just continue working with development. So I will jump into my screen, to my browser to start our 20 minutes for development. And yeah, what we already have, we have our function app, we have a service plan, we have storage account, everything is connected. So I will close that and I will jump into our diagram to see what I can develop more. So yes, I can add, for example, some key vault. So let's do that. Resource key vault. Yeah, maybe key vault. Vaults keys? No, it shouldn't be that. Oh yeah, key vaults. Yes. Required properties, so location, of course, location, SKU, family standard one, tenant ID. For tenant we will use that function tenant ID, and I will add the new parameter for key vault. You can think if pushing the names from parameters, it's a really good idea. I think it can be a better one, but I would like to keep that as it is for now, to just show you that how it can be implemented in the future. But I have a plan for that for later. So yeah, for now let's keep that as it is. Key vaults. Yeah. Okay. So key vault name, and here key vault name. Yeah, deploy. Let's try to deploy that. Let's see how it goes. Let's check our browser. And our deployment. Here it's deploying. Resources, okay. Key vault. Access policies, okay. Yeah, because we have two ways of authentication to key vault. Means old one, access policy, where we need to add manually some policies for users to allow them to get secrets, create secrets, whatever. And another one using airbag. So let's use that enable airbag authorization. True. And thanks to this we can use our airbag roles for managing access to key vault itself. So let's try to redeploy that again. I will take some coffee. In the meantime, also I can enable for deployment. That's a useful property if you would like to allow Azure deployment to access the key vault for taking secrets, for example. Enabling self delete and purge protection, it allows you to take care about key vault to not be removed by accident Yeah, you can keep that as it is. You can take care about the key vault and make sure that it's not okay. I need to refresh. It will not be removed by accident. Okay, it looks like it's removed already. Oh, I took yeah, of course I took the not the proper name, so I will update my name here, but we can see that it deploys properly, so I will commit the JS address at key vault. Okay, so we already added key vault, and I would like to also add another resource. Yes, I can add that service bus. Service bus namespaces. We will use that the newest one. Property, location, and key vault of the service bus. Service bus name. Okay. Maybe I will jump into some documentation, Azure Service Bus docs, to see queues. No, we don't want to have the QE. We prefer topics and subscriptions. ARM template. Oh. Create service bus namespace. So for now, I will use that properties as properties, no, SKU, just SKU. SKU required properties basic. Okay. We added our namespace here, param service bus name. I will copy the name from Azure naming tool. Okay, for now, resources are deployed. Okay, so for now, I will just create the namespace. Let's see how it goes. It will take some time because the key vault needs to be recreated, and also we would like to add the we would like to add service bus namespace for our purposes. No, for now I'm doing some shortcuts in our codes just to later show you how we can refactor the codes, and also just to deliver something and start coding and delivering the functionality, because it's 25th day. We are after 1/4 of our challenge, and it would be nice to deliver some functionality. Okay. Don't we have here? Okay, deployments. Let's see in the resources. Yes, so we have still the old key vault. Okay, service bus namespace is also added. So here in our resources, yes, we already have the key vault with the proper name and service bus namespace. So if I will go here, I can start creating our application using service bus. Okay, pricing tire. Okay, so for now I will just add service bus. Maybe git commit amend just to make sure. Space. Okay, we have our namespace, so I can try to resource. Oh, I clicked. Okay. So I will get back to my terminal. Resource app config app configuration. Required properties SKU. So I will again open the documentation. App configuration Azure. What is app configuration? Create app configuration store. Free. So yes, so okay, resource, your subscription. Okay, so here also I will app config name and I will add that param. And no, app config name. Okay, so we already have that app configuration store, and would be, oh, here, let's see how connect our Azure functions with C# and with app configuration. Okay. So we have to add enable dynamic configuration in Azure Functions. Okay, but still, first of all, we need to have that variable environment variable connection string. So we need to add that, of course. But firstly, let's try to deploy that. Let's see how it goes. And then here, add key vault. Isolate that. Azure add Azure app configuration. Okay. So we need to, in our function app, here we will need to add another property. In another environment variable. Oh, here we have connection strings. So in connection strings we will add the type MySQL custom notification hub event hub. Okay, so we will try to use that here, but let's see how it goes, the deployment, how it goes. Of course, I haven't changed the names. So here I have again the mix of names prod and dev. So for now, I will need to fix those names. But yeah, we get the app configuration, and we can create our configuration for our application. Key value, we can add our key, our value, and so on. So yeah, it would be interesting to play with that. So I will add app configuration store, and also here dev. You can see now that handling that that way it's a little bit annoying, but because you need to fix those names everywhere, and it would be nice to have that implemented in another way. So maybe we will start refactoring soon, because it can be annoying. Fix names for sources. Okay, we already have 3 for commits to push. And we are, let's say, at the time, so I will just push the changes and I will finish that for today. Yeah, we are at the time. So thanks for today. We will continue developing of the infrastructure tomorrow and let's see what will happen. So have a nice day, have a nice evening, and see you tomorrow. Bye.